morning.
What's up, buddy?
You ready to go?
Let's do it, man. Nice, man. Is that your car?
Yeah.
What year is it?
05.
That's one of my favorite cars.
Dude, I dreamed of owning one my entire life and finally did it. About a month ago.
Congrats, man.
I'm driving the hell out of it.
I'm gonna sit here and I want to hear you start it up. That's not a kit car.
No, it's a real 05. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Really? Dude, Mark, come check it out.
See, I love that about this thing.
This is not why I bought it. This is a reason I drive it, because this needs to be shared with the world.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
I'm freezing and I didn't bring a jacket.
Freaking jacket. It's supposed to be raining.
Like 75 degrees.
I like how you did wear your crown shirt. I did wear my crown jacket.
That's awesome.
I wear my crown jacket. That's so funny.
We did not plan that.
Not at all.
Look at this thing coming up. There he is.
Oh my gosh.
Every day, because I live right here.
Oh yeah, so
I see Aventadors and
yeah,
Huracans and 17.
I actually bought the HREs before I bought the car. Because I would keep anything stock. Awesome. Oh yeah, so Craig bought his STO.
Oh gosh.
Okay,
what a
wait,
load.
sober, cool. This day doesn't suck.
Nope. Not a bad Saturday.
It's so weird that this is so normal for us though. Oh yeah.
Oh,
all right, let's go. Let's go break bread with Corey. Take that.
I'll trade the RA.
Oh, please not sit.
It's perfect.
That's what I really need.
Not a
The
GT.
ACR can set a lap time.
Got a great turnout of kids. You'll see, for those of you that haven't been here, this is really an opportunity for the police department to bond with high-risk kids. It also gives the officers a chance to be with you folks. One of the things that we want you to, we have some rules here, but this is an opportunity to talk to the kids. I know we don't always get to see each other, we tend to gather in groups, but if you talk to the kids, they'll ask you how you got this car, and you can explain you worked. Did any of you steal your car? No. We told the CMPD officers in charge, we don't want the kids sitting on your cars. They may want to sit in it, that's up to you. You make that decision, it's your car. All we want you to do is talk to them. We open the hood so they can see what the engines are because they want to know. And at some point after we've been there, maybe 45 minutes or so, we'll rev up the engines again, just so they can hear it.
So we're going to go down the road. We're typically going to stay in the right-hand lane because all of our motors are going to be passing on the left. So just stay single file behind each other, try to give each other a little bit of gap so you don't have that slinky effect. It's going to be a nice, easy roll. We're going to try to get you on Tybola, south 45 to the academy. Please stay single file because we do have 2 or 3 new guys, and we're going to try to make sure that they do it correctly and safe. We don't want anybody getting hurt, us or y'all. But other than that, I appreciate you guys coming out. I know our chief and our deputy chiefs, they all really appreciate it, so they'll all be out there too. So.
And we appreciate you.
Yeah.
Coolest people in our community. That was awesome. Yeah, I'm stoked, man. This is actually one of the reasons why I started an Instagram in the first place many years ago, was to speak into kids' lives, because I was that kid. So today we get to do it even better. It's like underprivileged community, that's what's coming today. So this is going to be awesome.
This is gonna be really
I don't even know if they're going to know what this is, though.
I don't know. But
we get to tell them about it.
absolutely. Dang, that helicopter's low.
Oh, it's probably landing at the show.
Oh, really?
We're going to it. Yeah, is it a police helicopter? Where is it? Oh, yeah. Yep.
Wow.
Police helicopter.
That's really cool. How can you tell? Just the shape?
Yeah.
Oh man, he's like following us there.
Yeah, that's part of this. Isn't that crazy?
So the smell and just the vibe is definitely from Crown. Me and Vinny went on Crown a few years ago together, and this is just bringing me back to, you know, the GT40 and just all of the same feelings that you feel from a Crown rally.
Going to the Charlotte Police Department's training academy, where we're going to meet with it's police officers meets kind of the underprivileged community, and it's going to be an emotional one. It'll be good. This is what it's all about right here. These are the good ones. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna put these windows up, but we'll let the kids sit in. You ready?
Yep.
Let's do this.
Do it.
Best car ever made.
How about
Right here, let's see if you fit.
Yes.
What was the surprise?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this works.
Oh yeah, absolutely. He's got a very cool shifter.
Yeah, we're right there.
Awesome. It looks like you're inside of a jet.
Yeah.
Doesn't it feel good?
It's comfortable. The seats are comfortable. Everything's comfortable.
And the way, like, when you're driving it, the thing that's really unique about this car is all of your senses are going at all times. Even just from the simple part of that shifter, how it feels in your hand, to the way the clutch releases.
What a day.
So we just got done talking with Joey Logano's dad for like the last 20 minutes. That was pretty cool. When he buys his 505 GT, we're gonna go drive with him. Hey Joey, if you get to see this, we want to do a trifecta shoot with your Ford GT and ours. Good seeing you. Oh, there we go.
You ever leave the police station like
Had to. I mean, you can't leave a police car show and not break the law. We're back, Miller. We're back.
Yes.
Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you for
We made
taking me
it.
today.
That was actually really special. I had a
was.
couple choke up moments,
Mhm.
but I think we had more kids sit in the car today than this car's had people sitting in its lifetime. So that was kind of cool.
Absolutely.
Cops loved it. Yeah. So thank you for joining us. Hope you had a good time. We got a lot more. We got a lot more cool stuff just like that coming.
Made some connections.
We
today,
made
for
some
sure.
cool connections today too. So stay tuned. Great having you. Talk to you soon.